Thank you for choosing the Longevity Fence Systems full vinyl privacy gate. This gate system was designed to be easy to install and features the same quality and durability you've come to expect from our gates and fences. This video will show you how to rack a 4-foot wide by 6-foot tall vinyl privacy gate at 8 degrees or 3.5 inches over a 4-foot span. Gather the tools you'll need to complete the job: a drill, mallet, jigsaw, utility knife, angle finder, measuring tape, flathead screwdriver, and safety glasses. We suggest using a number 3 Phillips head bit for driving the supplied number 15 6-inch self-tapping screws. To make assembly easier, we recommend setting up a work area with a soft, clean surface and boards affixed to your work table at a right angle. The vinyl components are wrapped in cardboard to protect the surfaces. Be careful not to scratch the vinyl as you open the package. The gate assembly kit includes a box of Borbell heavy-duty gate hinges for hanging the gate. The kit also includes 6 tongue and groove boards, a top and a bottom rail, and 2 gate uprights, which feature a specially reinforced integrated pocket design. There are also 2 U-channel spacers. You can pre-assemble these by inserting one on the groove side of the board and one on the tongue side of the board. The small parts are wrapped separately. This packet contains a tube of quick-dry PVC vinyl fence cement, 8 number 15 6-inch self-tapping screws, and 2 gate upright caps. Okay, let's begin. Lay out the materials. Separate the top and bottom rail. Before assembling, you will need to make a few special cuts to each rail to create the desired racked angle. In this demonstration, we are racking a 1 3/4 inch by 5.5 inch rail. Measure a 2 inch by 3 inch notch and mark the location of the internal rib wall at opposite ends of each rail. Next, measure and cut the desired rack angle at the opposite end and the opposite side of the notch cutouts. Use the jigsaw to make the notch and cut out an 1/8 inch slot to remove a portion of the rib wall. Now, spin the rail to the opposite end of the rail and make the angled cuts on each rail. This series of cuts allows you to customize the angle to achieve a racked gate. Again, this demonstration shows how to rack a gate at 8 degrees or 3.5 inches over a 4-foot span. Lay out the top and bottom rails in the opposite direction of one another, so the angled ends are not on the same side. Apply the fence cement inside the top and bottom pockets of the first gate upright. The cement sets quickly, so be sure to have other parts and tools nearby. Insert the top rail into the pocket. If needed, use the flathead screwdriver to guide the rail into position. Repeat these steps for the other rail. Once the fence cement has set up, start inserting the boards. First, insert one of the boards with a U-channel in position and slide it into place. Then slide in the other boards. The boards have a tongue and groove design, so you'll need to check to make sure you are correctly joining the boards as you slide them into place. Finally, make sure the U-channel spacer is attached to the gate upright side of the last board before sliding it in. Apply the fence cement inside the pockets of the remaining gate upright and insert the top and bottom rails. Use the mallet to gently tap it into place. Secure the gate uprights with the self-tapping screws. These screws are being driven through the reinforced pocket to ensure strength and stability. Use the centerline mark to help with the screw placement. Finally, apply fence cement inside the gate upright caps and install on the top of each upright. Finish by double-checking the angles. Now you're ready to hang your racked gate. Learn more about racking a gate by contacting your Longevity Fence System sales representative. Visit us at www.longevityfencesystems.com.